Now, you have a comprehensive background in science, commercial and investment strategy and governance and social enterprise. Gee, what don't you do?
The washing, if you ask my wife.
Sorry. How will this help shape your role in the trust?
I think it's one of the things that I'm really looking forward to is trying to use my experience to help position the trust as taking a leadership role in Māori philanthropy and social investment. I'm a firm believer that Māori have been practicing the concept of impact investment for generations. And as the world catches up with this purpose-driven mobilization of assets and wealth that we've seen through our forebears for 1,000 years, it provides Māori with the opportunity to add new tools, new structures and frameworks to aid our people in our ongoing efforts to collectively contribute to our well-being going forward. And I think the trust position is a perfect case study for how philanthropy and impact investment can be a focus lens of how Māori can drive that collective prosperity.
Gee, you're really good at this job, aren't you? You're so interesting to listen to. You're really bright. Anyway, good. What are some of the issues you are keen to focus on in your new role?
Well, there was a large program of work that I will be trying to hit the ground running on. And it's important to make sure that I'm able to dive in and support the mahi that has been laid before me and continue to deliver in a strong manner up until 2022, when we'll be reviewing and rolling out the next iteration of the strategy. We've got a number of initiatives such as our Year 7 and 8 kaupapa literacy and numeracy program that continues to roll forward. Hopefully, the plan is for 1,000 tamariki to have gone through that by 2022. We've got rangatahi mentoring programs and development funds that we continue to grow, and we have helped design by our alumni, Ngā Awahi Tūrua, a number of succession planning and leadership programs that we're looking to roll out, including associate directorships programs.
Great goals, and that's going to make effective change. So what is your philosophy on how to raise prosperity for Māori?
Well, I hold very strongly to the kōrero. Money is like a kumara. It has no value outside of its ability to sustain people.
Ooh.
And we hear very often now about the burgeoning Māori and how exciting it is for us. $50 billion, growing twice the speed of the GDP. But the real test for us as Māori is not the accumulation of wealth, it's how we put that wealth and assets to use to create the future we envisage for our tamariki and our mokopuna. And so that definition of property is not monetary. That definition of value is ours to define as Māori in an intergenerational sense.